if you are intending to file in the US, a good way of doing it is you file in Australia first, and then you, as I said, you use the Australian filing as the basis, because otherwise, when you file in the US, you either have to select intention to use or an actual use basis. And so what that means is if you select actual use, you have to actually state the date in which you have sold the product in the US and the date in which it was actually shipped. So with FBA, usually, that's sort of the same day, which is okay, but you have to be able to demonstrate that by showing a screenshot or something like that. Otherwise, Amazon doesn't really believe you. Oh, not Amazon. USPTO doesn't really believe you. So it's actually quicker and easier if you file in Australia first and then bunny hop into another country, because it just simplifies the process. As I said before, with Class 35, you have to be able to show that you have more than one product when it comes into the US if you're filing on an actual use basis. If you filed using the above 0.1 strategy in terms of based on an Australian application, then that's fine. You don't need to show those types of evidence. Product classes will always provide more protection than service class. So Class 35 is a service class. Make your brand name as made up or as unique as possible to avoid any objections on distinctiveness. And the majority of objections can be overcome by argument or amendment, and it all comes down to how much you want to spend and also what sort of time frame. So just very quickly, these are different types of evidence of use for the US if you're filing on that basis. If you're doing Class 35 and you just show them this, which is one product, it'll be rejected. Whereas if you can show a store like this or like this with multiple products, they will allow that as sufficient evidence of use. For a single product to show evidence of use, you just need to be able to show the brand name somewhere on the product or packaging for which the mark is protecting those goods. So you're showing that it is being used as a trademark.
Hey, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We help people just like you start your own successful business selling things online, whether that's through Amazon, Shopify, eBay, whatever it may be. We've got the tools that you need to help you succeed online. Whether you're a complete beginner or indeed a professional making millions of dollars, we can certainly help you. By the way, we've helped over 2,500 people right now here in Australia, as well as right around the world. We've got sales in our members community of over $50 million. If you'd like to find out how we did that and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link is in the description. That's aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I will see you on the inside.